congratulations to Nigerians. Wow. Jagaban itself, the Tinubu itself is working. We not fit talk, we not fit talk. Say, wetin concern us, concern this national item, we not fit talk. So guys, watch the song to the end. Listen to this song to the end. Wow. Anyway, we congratulate Nigeria once again.
Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign, in peace or battle honored, and this we count as gain. To hand unto our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and